Sample dummy bank statement Excel. Go to Entry menu. Select Bank column selection. Select Bank. Select any configuration from given list. Select initial date according to your Excel data. Select your date format like DDMMYYYY according to your Excel data. Select date column according to your Excel data. Select narration column according to your Excel data. Select description column according to your Excel data. Select reference number column according to your Excel data. Select No if you don't have check reference number column. Select debit credit column as per your Excel data. Click OK to save the data. Go to Entry menu. Select Bank Statement Import. Click on Add button. Select your bank name. Select your configuration format which we have mapped in bank column selection. Select the file to upload. Select the file path from your file location. Select your respective date period. Select the file type which you have selected in bank column statement. Click OK to upload. Hence, new account will appear in red color. Click on Save button. Enter respective account. If you don't have account, then you can create by clicking on Create Account Master. Likewise, enter the rest of the account master. Click on Save. Go to Reports. Select Account Ledger. Click on Only Selected Account. Select the respective account. Click OK to verify your data. Kindly check your data. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.